Hi guys, good morning. Am I audible? Can you please confirm? Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Thank you for confirming. Yeah, today our topic is Git, guys. Okay, today our topic is Git. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Just a moment. Okay, today our topic is Git, guys. Okay, share my screen. Yes, my screen is visible. My screen is visible.
Yes, Hari.
Thank you. Any doubts, guys, up to now in Linux? Anybody have any doubts? Because we are going to be on the topic is a Git. Okay. Okay, today our topic is Git, guys. What is the Git? Okay, what is the meaning of Git? What it is Git is going to be do? Why we are going to be use Git? Okay, today we are going to be discuss these things. Okay, and how to create a Git also. Okay, okay. What is Git? It is a version control system or source code management. Version control system or source code management. Okay, that means okay, who are the developers? Developers means programmers, guys. Programmers who are developing our application. Their application or our application, it will be in company means it is going to be see somebody they are going to be develop their own applications. Okay, if you join company, they are going to be tell our applications like a Flipkart, Amazon, okay, PhonePe or SBI, like this. So there is a lot of applications will be there. Okay. See, in these applications were called it as a source code manager. Okay. Source code guys. Source code or version control system. If you can see why we are going to call as a version. If you, for example, if you can see in your mobiles, there is a Android version is available, guys. If you can see in your phone, there is a about phone is there. You can go settings, you can check the about phone. There is a 12 version is there. Somebody there is a 12.1.0 version will be there. That's what we're calling as a version control system. Okay. And another one is source code management. What is this management? What is this source code? Source code means we are going to be develop our programming or our code. Okay. Or developing our application. Okay. What this version control system is going to be do. Okay. I'm going to tell you. Here is some points I already written, guys. Okay. See, what is it means? See, it means version control system or source code management. Okay. See, in this, what are the version control system will be doing some functions. Okay. What are the uses? Okay. See here, allow the developers to work simultaneously. See, if you are going to be develop any application, there is a lot of developers will be there. Okay. See, at a time they need to work simultaneously. At a time they need to work same time they need to work. They need to develop or applications. See, that means all developers they work simultaneously, guys. Okay. For example, if you can take any Amazon application or Flipkart or Netflix or PhonePe or Google Pay, any application you can take. Okay. There is a lot of developers will be there. Okay. They work simultaneously. They work simultaneously. Okay. It will be allow, guys. It will be allow. How it will be allow? Further, I'm going to tell you. There is a branching concepts in there. In that branches, I'm going to tell you. Okay, don't worry about that one. Okay, and another one is does not allow overwriting each other changes. That means for the developers work simultaneously. Okay, who work simultaneously, their work it will be not overwriting each other changes. That means, see, there is a, for example, two developers will be there simultaneously. They are working. Okay, it does not allow overwriting. Overwriting means it cannot be erased. Okay, it cannot be erased. Erase what are the changes? What are the each other changes? See, for example, one developer will be writing as a personal banking. Okay, in that personal banking, some other developer he is writing as a some login issue. Okay, he is working, but it does not allow overwriting each other changes. That means every developer changes, it will be allowed, guys. That means every developer changes, it will be allowed. Okay, that is the reason I written as a does not allow overwriting each other changes. Okay, that means that is the guys. Okay, another one is maintain the history of every version. See, for example, whenever you started launching any application in initial stage, what it is called initial stage means it will be what is the version 0.1, okay, 0.1 or 1.0 or 1.1, like that. Every version it is available, guys. Or after updation 1.1, after updation 1.2, after updation 1.2.1. It is called as a updation, guys. If you can go for the upgradation means directly it will be going to the version 2. Okay, directly it will be going to be to version 2. Upgrade means 2.3.4.0, like that it will become, guys. Updation means 1.2.1, 1.2.2, 1.2.3, like that it will become. Okay, what is these fields also? Already I will tell you in where and type what is these three fields. Okay, don't worry. Okay, it will be made in the every version history, guys. That means whenever, see, for example, you upgraded 2.0 version, but there is a some bug will be there. What is that bug? See, login issue, it will be taking as a huge time. That means 15 seconds it is going to be taking. But 1.9, it does not take any any 15 seconds. It will be immediately it will be login as a within second it is going to be login. Okay, but whenever the developer will be changes their code, okay, and upgraded their code, okay, upgrade their code in 2.0 version, okay, 2.0 version, but immediately there is a bug will be find out some person, or else some testing person, any other person also, or else you can get a that bug in client side also. Okay, or else end user side also, or else end user. End user means whoever the consumer. Okay, he got the issue and he raised the issue. Then immediately what they will do? Immediately they will call back as rollback, guys. Rollback is 1.91 version. Okay, that's what it is maintaining the every version history. Okay, it is maintaining the every version history. Okay, every version history it is maintained. That's what we're going to be using this source code management as source code management or version control system. There is a two types of version control systems are available. Okay, two types of version control system. One is centralized version control system. One is centralized version control system. Another one is distribution version control system. See, actually here, what is central version control system and what we are going to be discuss about the distribution version control system. In distribution version control system, we are going to be used in Git. See, subversion control system, I already told you, there is a CC. One is clear case, subversion control system. It is called as a CC, clear case. It is a IBM tool, guys. That is a IBM tool. I will tell you, this is the Git and GitHub. Later, I will tell you what it will become also. Okay, don't worry. In this centralized version control system, why you are not going to be consider this centralized control system? And this why you are going for the distribution version control system. I will tell you, I already given brief explanation here also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, and see this distribution are distributed or decentralized version control system. We are going to be using Git. Again, Git is version control system or source code management. Okay, we will concentrate only distribution version control system. Okay, especially on Git, guys. Okay, we will concentration on only distribution version control system and especially on Git only. Okay, Git will becomes under the distribution version control system only. That is only I written here. Okay, very okay. Why you are going to be concentrate on only distribution or decentralized version control system? Here is a some example. Before I'm going to show you. See, what is the difference between the version control system and the distribution version control system and centralized version? Show you in diagram. See here, There is a lot of developers are available. Their code will be developing in remote repository, guys. In remote repository. That means there is a in companies inside in real time. There is a central repositories will be there, guys. Central repository. That means central servers are available. In that server only, every developer will be work. See, developer one, developer two, developer three, developer four, like that. Like that, n number of developers will be available, developing their code, and they are going to be merge their code into the central repository, and here they are going to be use this central version control system. Okay. See, whenever they are going to be develop this code into the central repository, and suddenly this central repository will be going to be crash or power issues or corrupted. If what it will be happen, they are going to be lost their data. They are going to be lost their data. That means there is a single point of failure here. There is a single point of failure. That means they are going to be lost their data, or if any hanging issues, any display issues, okay, this corrupted issues, they are going to be lost their data. Or else, if any hanging issue, developer will be empty. That means developer does not have any work to do because it is a central repository. Okay, that is a single point of failure, guys. That's what we are going to be avoid this issues in future. That's what distribution version control system is came into the picture. That's why we are going to Git, guys. There is a like Git, we have a in market, there is a lot of tools will be there. Okay, lot of tools is like a Git bucket, GitLab, okay, the source tree, like that. There is a lot of tools will be there, but we are going to be using as a distribution version control system. See, I'm going to show you the diagram also. Distribution version control system. If you can see, this is the distribution version control system. In this distribution version control system, what it will be happening, there is two types will be there, guys. What see here also there is a lot of developers will be there. See, here is we are going to use some terminology like a Git and GitHub. Git and GitHub, guys. Okay, here we are going to use Git and GitHub, guys. Okay, in this Git bash, see, in this Git and GitHub, what we are going to do? See, locally, who are the developers, they're going to be developer, they're going to put their local laptop, guys, their local laptop. And another one is GitHub. That is the central repository, guys. That is the central repository. Okay, what is repository? I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, in that central repository, we are going to be store their data. Okay, how they are going to be store their data? They are going to be create repositories. They are going to be created as a repositories. Okay, I will tell you what is a repository and all those things. Okay, in this, how they this central sorry distribution central version control system. We have a two types. One is Git and another one is GitHub. See, what is this Git and GitHub? I will tell you. Okay. See, here is the Git and GitHub is came to the picture, guys. This is the decentralized or distribution version control system, guys. Don't be confused. Okay. See, here is the some differences. Git is are going to use as a software. See, which we already installed in locally. Git we already installed now locally. Then when we are going to be install this software in locally, it is showing Git bash, guys. It is showing in Git bash. Okay. What is this GitHub? GitHub is a service, guys. Okay, it is a service, guys. Anybody can able to use. It is available in cloud, guys. It is available in cloud. Okay, I will show you. I will show you how to create this one also. We already done this Git in locally, guys. Git in locally. Okay. It is a command line tool, guys. It is a command line tool. It is a command line tool, and GitHub is a graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means we can able to use by using the clicking method. Okay, graphical user interface. That also after we are going to be creation of GitHub account, I will show you how to do the some activities in GitHub side also. Okay, same thing as I will show you in this command line interface support. I will show you. Okay, and focused on version control and code sharing, guys. In Git, see, developers will be developing their code into developing their local laptop, and that code will be continuously they are going to be shared into the GitHub, guys. Continuously they are going to be shared into GitHub. And same like that, see centralized source code also, they're going to see any changes in available in GitHub and remote side also we have some changes. Those changes are going to be locally, we're going to be cloning, guys. Locally, we're going to be cloning. What is that cloning also? I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. See, this one is, it is maintained by the Linux. That's what it is came into the see what. See, Linux is a open source. Okay. And it is a command line interface. Okay. Same like that. It is maintained by the Linux. GitHub will be maintained by the Microsoft. Yes. GitHub will be maintained by the Microsoft. Okay. In this each part where you already installed this GitHub in locally. Okay. This command line interface I will show you. See, whenever I install after git bash, it is kept. See, this is the command line interface, guys. Okay, that's what it is maintained by the Linux people. Okay, that's what it is maintained by the Linux people. Okay, and another one is how this version control and code sharing also I will show you once we are going to into the practical at both areas. Okay, don't worry. See, our code is hosted on web. How we are going to be code or hosted on web? I will show you that also. Okay, while creating this GitHub and all this. Before that, we have to we are discussing about this centralized and decentralized. See, here I already showed you some of the diagrams. Okay, this is the Git and GitHub. These are came into the picture. Okay, say every developer they are going to be their code in local development their code into local and they are going to be push their code into the remote repository. Of all people are going to be push their code. Okay, see after pushing. Okay, after pushing, what it will be happen? Code will be available on GitHub repository. Everybody they are going to be access the GitHub repository and they are going to be clone. Clone means they are going to be getting their see whoever they are going to push their code into the remote repository. They are going to be automatically locally they are going to be pull their code, guys. Pull their code. Okay, I will show you how they are going to pull the code. Okay, these are some example. Okay, I will tell you before that. Okay, see. What it will be there. See, simply I already written is a definition. See, central version control system is the central to store all the files. All the files means, see, whoever the developers, they are developing the code, okay? How they are developing the code, they are opening on file and they are going to be write the program, right? And enables the team collaboration. Yes, enable the team collaboration. And but major drawback is when just before I told you, see, whenever that central repository is failure or hangout disk failure issues, see, here's same thing only I written here. Okay. See, unfortunately, if the central server is going to down for okay, then remaining other collaboration teams, all teams will be going to be empty, guys. That means they are nothing to do work because they are already shared all the data into the central servers. All the files they are stored into the central servers. If central server will be uh, failure or some hangout issues, any disk failure issues, whatever power gun issues, then all the developers will be they're going to be empty, guys. They don't have any other work and they are going to be lost their entire data, guys. Entire data. That means they are going to be lost the entire project also. That's what it is a called as a single point of failure. Yes. That what they are going to be called as a single point of failure. For avoiding this, okay, for avoiding this losing the entire data and history of the project, that's what we are going to as a distribution version control system or decentralized version control system came into the picture, guys. Okay, see, decentral, decentral means distribution. Okay, decentral or distribution version control system not only checks the latest snapshot for the directory or fully mirror of the repository, guys. Fully mirror of the repository is see centrally we are going to be creating GitHub. Just before I showed Git and GitHub. Okay, see here is I will tell you. If the server goes down, central repository is going to down. That means then the when repository is going to be down. Client side. Client side is who is the client here? All the developers is the client here. They are going to be copied their code into the local systems, guys. Local systems. That means they are going to be develop their code into the locally and they are going to be continuously sharing their code into the remote repository. We already discussed whenever the DevOps, What is the DevOps? That time I already told you continuous integration. Okay, continuous integration. Okay, I will show you that one also. See, in this continuous integration process, where the team members they're integrating their work continuously in shared repository. There is continuous integration will become okay. And in definition also, I already told you continuously combining the code. Okay, continuously combining the code. That time we are going to use what is the tool is GitHub, guys. What is the tool is GitHub. When they are going to all the team members, they are going to be collaborate their work continuously, collaborate their work and continuously share their work into the remote repository that is called as a GitHub, guys. That is called as a GitHub. Okay. See, see, whenever their code will be changes, they are going to be pushed their code into the remote repository. Or when they are going to be develop their code into the locally, they are going to be share their code into the remotely. Okay. In that remotely, it is available in GitHub, guys. See here, I'm going to be read this sentence. You can see if the server goes down, okay, then the repository from the any client can be copied back to the server and restored. See, if that client server, if you can ask, see here also some GitHub will be having a some issue. That means any server issue, hangout, and disk full issues like that. Then same people will be copied same code into the local, guys. Okay, that is a mirror copy. Okay, that is called as a mirror copy, guys. Mirror copy into the locally, guys. Locally, they will be stored that code. Okay, every developer will be stored that code, guys. How they will be stored also, I will show you while going to the practical. Okay, every checkpoint is a fully. It does not rely on the central server, guys. Does not rely on the central server. That's why you are going to be perform many operations. Okay, many operations when you are in offline also. When you are in offline also, then they don't need to be see. For example, they don't need to be any internet connection also. For why? Because they are going to be developer their code into the locally, guys. Okay, they are going to be develop their code into the locally. How they are going to be developed, I will show you later. Okay, while going to the practical, you can see when they are going to be commit this, there is a commit changes will be there after they are going to develop their code. That means how this code will be committing and changes, creating branches, view these logs. Okay, I will show you in offline itself only. Okay, no need to be internet also, but I will show you. They're going to be develop their code into the locally, guys. Okay, but you require some network connection to publish your changes and take the latest changes. Why? Because we have to communicate to the one network to another network. If you can see in your locally, there is some IP address will be there. Network, why you are going to be use this network, guys? We have to communicate with the different networks. We have to communicate with the different networks. That's what we need a some internet connection also. Why? Because we have some commit changes and creating a branches, use the logs. For these operations, we need some internet connections. Okay, we need some internet connection, guys. See, before that, we are going to be create a one GitHub account. Guys, anybody having a GitHub account? Hello,
No, Hari.
anybody having a no. Can you share your screen? I will tell you how to create a GitHub account. Anybody interested? Please open and share your screen. I'm going to be stop here. I will help you to create that one. Going to be stop my screen. Anybody can share?
I attended from mobile, Hari. I cannot share it.
Okay, any other people? Okay, I will show you how to create because I already have a GitHub account. That's what. Okay, I'm going to be log out. Just it is a very simple step, guys. Not like a AWS. It is a open source only. You no need to pay any amount also. See, I'm going to open another browser. Let's see. Directly you can type GitHub. Type GitHub. See here, login is there. Same similar like that. We have to be that one. Here is sign up will be there, guys. Okay, here is a sign up is there. Whenever you are going to be sign up, it is asking that email ID. Okay, enter your email ID. Then it will be asked. Okay, then it will be asked automatically some password, guys. Okay, some password. Then you can enter password. Then it will be asked your MFA, guys. MFA. Okay, like that you can able to create. If you get any issue, please let me know because I already have. Or else you can give me your email ID. I will create for you guys. Anybody can give me that your email ID. I can create for you.
RDB Sunita Reddy. ADI.
Yeah. Yes. Sign up. Now you can tell me ADN.
ADIVI.
ADIVI.
SUNITHA. NITHA.
Yeah, okay.
Reddy REDDY @gmail.com.
Then password. Enter the data 123 password. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you already have any account, ma'am? Hello.
No, Hari.
It is not. Password may be compromised like that.
Type like Lohit @ 3301.
100 double three zero one. Yeah.
3301.
Okay, Lohit. Okay,
Okay.
now it is taking. Okay. See, I'm going to give Smita. Okay, Smita DevOps. Sir.
Okay, Hari.
Okay, Smita DevOps 3301. Okay,
Okay.
see, it is taking continue. Okay, receive any updates. You will get a updates from your email. Okay.
Okay.
You will get a one verification code.
Okay.
Now you will get a verification.
Let me check, Hari.
Yeah, this is the your email ID. You set a launch to code for this.
It's 5432
5432
5094.
509. It's taking mine. Okay, I
Okay.
given yours only, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can enter your email ID. Okay,
Okay.
else you can tell me your email ID again. ID
ADIVI SUNITHA Reddy.
at Gmail.
Yeah. Gmail spelling is wrong.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Rate of 3301, right?
Yes, right.
See, it is came into the welcome to your GitHub. Okay. This just
Okay.
for you guys. Okay. Here it is showing just for me only. Okay.
Okay.
Continue. See, I am a student. Okay. I written as a student. Okay. Just for me. I need a free account, guys. I don't go for the additional any student benefits. Okay. I'm going for the free account only. See, it will be coming like this, guys. Okay, it will be coming like this. You're going to be create GitHub account like this, guys. Okay, your password and your email ID both will be need to be different. Otherwise, it will be not going to be taking, guys. Just before you showed any error also. Okay, password compromise like that. Okay, see here there is a see your profile. Okay, like a Facebook page, you can set your profile, all those things, and you can set your status also. And here is a repository concepts it will become, guys. Okay, here is a project repository like that it will become. Okay, in industry, how they are going to be created in Git and GitHub. What is our main roles and responsibilities here? Okay, what our main roles and responsibilities? I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. See, here is the your organization, guys. Here is the your organization. Okay, here is you're going to be turn on Sunita. Okay, okay. Here is Sunita is the organizer. Okay, she is the one only. Like that in company, they are going to be created as a company account, guys. Okay, Like see here, new organization like that, we have to be create, but you don't want to use this thing. But in industry, they are going to be created as an organization name. Then inside organization, there is a lot of projects will be there. In each project, having a repositories available, guys. Okay. So I'm not able to, I'm not going to be create this organization, all those things. Okay. It will be getting as a some confusion. That's what I'm not able to creating. Okay. See, here is repositories. Oh, she does not have a create any repositories, guys. Okay, like that you can able to create one GitHub account. Okay, we already installed Git Bash locally, guys. Starting class, I already showed you. Okay, while connecting to the EC2 server. Okay, so I'm going to be logged out, ma'am. Up to now, you
Okay,
can
sir.
wait here. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to be logged out here. Here is the sign out option. Okay, so now you can keep it like this. Wait, I'll have tell you some of the things will be available. Okay. See, just before I told you, coming to the next part, guys. Okay, there is a Git terminology, guys. What is this Git terminology? Okay, what is this Git terminology? Git will be work as a client server architecture. Client server architecture. Client is here is your local laptops, guys. Your local laptops, which is where already installed Git Bash here. Okay, Git Bash here. Okay, Git Bash here. This is here only you are going to be develop all the code also everything here. Please, I capitalize it bash here. So this is our local laptop. We are going to be. See, I'm going to be used. See, I already told you it is a Linux operating system, guys. Okay. See here. What are the files available? What are the repositories available? Everything it is coming here locally. Okay. If you can change any modifications also, it will be shows here, guys. Okay. Here our bash you can open. Okay. Like this only. Okay. It is that is the client, guys. What is this server? Server is GitHub, guys. Server is this GitHub. Server is this GitHub, guys. Okay, it is in cloud. It is a central server, guys. It is a central server. Okay, this client server architecture, guys. See here, Git Bash is our client. Server is GitHub, guys. Server is GitHub. See, I told you what is repository. Coming class, I will tell you. Okay, now it is a time. Okay, what is repository means? Group of project files stored in single area. Okay, group of project files stored in single area. Each project having a one repository. Each project having a one repository, and GitHub having a number of repositories available. Yes. Number of repositories available. I will show you my repositories. Okay. For example, your repositories. You can go here. See your repositories. See here, I have ultimate pipeline. Okay. This is a one project, guys. In one project, there is a repositories. There is a repositories. Okay. There is a inside project. See, here is does not have. I'll show you. I will take it as a. I have a lot of repositories just before I told you. My web. I'm going to take it as a my web page. Okay. I'm going to take it as a my web. What I tell you, group of project files stored in one single area. See, here is my project is my web, guys. Here is my project is my web. Okay. And what I tell you here, group of project files stored in one single area. See, I already told you inside company, there is a lot of stages will be there, like dev environment, QA environment, staging environment like that. Okay. In like that, whoever the developers also will be there. There is a development will be there, future branch will be there. Yeah, branches coming class, I will tell you guys. There is a dev branch is there, future branch is there. Okay, main branch is there. Okay, releasing branch is there, version branch is there. That is tagging system it will become, guys. You can see here, this is our project, guys. This is our project. Inside project, there is a inside project, there is a lot of files will be there. Okay, in single area we are going to be stored in our project. Okay, in that project we are going to call as a repositories, group of project files. Group of project files means, see, these all files. Okay, in this all files will be stored in this project only. Okay, in this project only. See, like this. In single area, we're going to be stored. That is called as a repository. Yes, that is called as a repository. In GitHub, we have a number of repositories. GitHub, we have a number of repositories. You can see here, I have a number of repositories. Guys. See, like my web, I have a lot of repositories there. See, my web is a one of the project. See here, there's a is a one project. See, Wanderlust. Okay, Star Azal Insurance. This is the one project. Okay, this one project. Okay, this one project. There is a lot of projects will be there. I will show you. My web, Storazal demo dummy, Bala 123, e-cut application, DevOps web, Storazal healthcare, today. Okay, Spring Boot. There is a lot of repositories available, guys. There is a lot of repositories available. Where it is available in GitHub, guys. Okay. In this GitHub, lot of repositories. That means lot of projects available in one company. Okay. This will be maintained by the GitHub, guys. Okay. In repository, group of projects will be stored in one single area. Group of project file will be stored in one single area, guys. Each project having a one repository. Each project having a one repository, guys. Okay, don't forget. Each project having a one repository. GitHub having a number of repositories. That is I showed you here. Okay, GitHub having a number of repositories. Okay, you can see here I have totally 32 projects available. Okay, 32 projects available. Each project you can see each project having a repository. See, I'm going to be this thing. Here is the thing. Each project like this. I will go for that. Another one. Spring Boot for each project having their own repositories, own files will be there like this. Okay. In single area, we're going to be stored. Okay. See, after storing, see, here is I took it as a my web, guys. I took it as a my web. See, I told you while showing diagram, what is the clone? Okay, what is the cloning? See, I already showed you this image, guys. Already showed you this image while discussing about distribution version control system or decentralized version control system. Here is the locally their code they are going to be developed, and remotely also we are going to be some changes will become. But that time, how they are going to be getting the code? How they are going to be getting the code by the developers? Yes. See, this developer will be developed some code. This developer will be developed some code. He is going to be push his code into the remote repository. He is also going to be push. Okay. But while getting the pull, he's going to be what he is going to do? He is going to be do Git clone, guys. Git clone. This command they are going to be used. That's what entire project is available in their local also. Entire project is available in their local machines also. If this one failure also, entire code, see, entire code it will be available. For example, I'm going to be taking it as a my web, guys. Why I'm going to my web? Already mentioned in document that first see my web. I'm going to be taking this remote repository, getting the local, guys, by using this clone command. By using this clone command, Git commands always will be starts with GAT, guys. Okay, GAT. Okay, it will be starts the commands always. It will be Git, guys. Okay, I will show you how to clone this one from remote to local. So I'm going to be series. It will be there is a protocols will be there. It will be supports HTTPS, SSH, and this command line tool also. Yes. I'm going to be copy this one. Okay, I'm going to be copy. This is a copy symbol. It is copied, guys. Okay. See, I'm going to be clone. How I'm going to be clone my clone. See here also I can clone. See there is a git bash here. Sorry. It is a GUI, guys. That's what I'm going to be. Okay. So I'm going to use git save only clone. You have to type URL, guys. See how I'm getting the URL from every GitHub. There is a one code will be there here like a green color. Inside that, we want to go for that local. Okay, you can see here local. See how I'm going to be? There is a URL. By default, it will become, guys. If anybody, they're going to be seeing their repositories. Okay, seeing their projects or repositories. It will be automatically. It will be come from default. It will become, guys. Okay, you no need to be create any HTTPS like this. Okay, it will become defaultly, guys. You no need to create this link and all those things. Okay, so I'm going to be paste it here. See, I'm getting a local entire project, guys. Entire project. My web. See, now you want to develop any other project. See, other future is going to be develop that future and he is going to be put here and he is going to be push his code into the remote repository. That's what. See, whenever this central repository failure also, this entire code is available developer local systems, guys. Okay. Then again they are going to be pushed. Again they are going to be create a new repository for the project, and again they are going to be pushed that one. Or else their local system has been corrupted. Here is one developer local system has been corrupted. Another developer will be having an entire project. Okay, entire code is already available, and he is going to be change his code. Okay, like this, there is a number of developers will available. If you can local or central, any server will be trouble also. That code is available with the under developer, guys. Under developer. If local system is failure, it is available in central. Central system will be failure, it is available code in the local, guys. That's what we are got a future in this Git and GitHub, guys. Okay. See now, the entire project has been cloned, guys, by using git clone command. Okay, by using git clone command, guys. Okay, another one is fork, guys. Another one is fork. What is this fork will be do? Projects are copied from one GitHub account to another GitHub account. Okay, one GitHub account to another GitHub account, guys. See, for example, here is a fork is available, guys. Here is a fork is available. Okay, you can see my project is need to be go fork. Use the warner, create a link. Description is optional. I'm going to provide my link to you. Okay, because it is a public, guys. I'm going to give my web link to you guys. And paste it and you can fork it also. Going to be here. One GitHub account to another GitHub account. However, see here is a nothing repositories are nothing, guys. Create fork. See now, Sunta DevOps having a 3301 as a my web. Before, she does not have any repositories, guys. She does not have any repositories. Now, if you can see, she is having a one repository by using one GitHub account to another GitHub account, guys. See here, she is getting all the data, guys. All the project details she will put. Okay. One GitHub account to another GitHub account. We're going to use fork, guys. We're going to use fork. Okay. See, another one is local repository, guys. Local repository. What I told repository means it is a folder, guys. Nothing repository is nothing but folder, guys. Okay. See, in getting the remote repository to our local, we're going to use this local repository, guys. See, for example, see, developer will be developing some code here inside this project. Okay, inside this project. Okay, inside this project is going to be create a one repository, guys. Today. Okay. Sorry. See, is created simply one project. How we have to see this? See, CD enter my project, guys. Plus I will see today, which is I created 902. It is created or not? It is locally created, guys. Local repository. Okay, local repository, guys. Local repository. To getting the remote to our local laptop. See how we are going to getting the local laptop. All this my web repository. How I'm going to get by using the git clone command, guys. By using git clone command, we are getting the all the my web repository to our local repository. See here, I already did it. Okay, by using git clone command. Okay, I already taken from remote to locally, guys. Getting the remote repository to our local laptop. How I get? By using the git clone command. Okay, by using the git clone command. Okay, by using git clone command, I'm getting the all the repository details to our local laptop, guys. Our local laptop. See here, my web enter. I already got. Okay, my local laptop. That is called as a local repository. What is this remote repository? Which is our created, guys. Which is our created. See, if I want a new repository, guys. If I want a new repository. Okay, for example, repositories here. Okay, if you can see here, all the repositories will scale. Okay, if I want to any new repository from remote side, see, create a repository. It is public or private, it is asking. Public means anybody can access, guys. Public means anybody can access. But in real time, all are in private, guys. All are in private. Okay, all are in private only. All are in private. Okay, then you have to give your repository name, guys. Okay. If I need, I have a description of you uh, for my okay. Remaining all the things are same, but we have to use this readme file, guys. We have to give this readme file. Why? Because all the things will be written in this readme file, guys. All the things will be available in this readme file only. So I'm going to be create this repository, guys. See here. See, it is created my web 123. New web from for my web 123. Like this, you are going to be create as a one repository remotely. And locally, how you are going to be create? Directly, you are going to be create like a replica because everybody using their local laptop in Microsoft only. That means Windows only. Then directly you can create. Just before today, I created. Okay, locally. Okay, today I created. Okay, locally only. Same like that. It is a remote side. How you are going to be create a repository? Okay, see here. You can go all the repositories. There is a new option will be there. You can see here. Okay, in this new option, you can click it. Automatically, it will be asked some of the things which is I showed you just now. Then you can able to create, guys. Okay. Okay. Like that, you have to create a repository. Okay. Another one is push, guys. Another one is push. Push means what are the things, guys? See, for example, just now I created. Okay, just now I created some local changes. What I created a one folder, guys. That means one repository I created. Okay, that means one directory. That means one directory I created. So in locally I change it, guys. Okay, in locally I change it. So I want to push that one. I want to push that to the remote repository. Push that to remote repository, guys. See, here I already created this one. This one today I created. Okay, I want to push this one. I'm going to use git push command, guys. Git push. Okay, means under one it is asking the remote repository. See which project I have to here. See inside there is a project in my web page. Said there is a project in my web. There is a inside there is a different available. Okay, so I want to directly to later I will tell you what is this dev and future and all these things, patch and all those things. Before I want to push. Is there any today? Directly I'm going to be pushed whatever I created this today folder. Okay, today I have changes something in my project. Okay, I want to send these changes to locally to remote. That's what we are going to use this git push command. Okay, I'm going to use command is git push origin str master guys. See here it is a master only. That's what I'm going to push into here only. Okay. Later I will tell you what is that master and all those things. Don't worry about that one. Okay, git push origin. Okay, because that is the thing only. That is a command, guys. Okay, I'm going to push. Everything is up to date. It is there. Okay. Into base. Okay. Everything is up to date. It is showing where I copied that one. This one not file only because it is a zero data. That's what it is showing. Nothing has been here. Everything is sorry. Sorry. I will show you guys how to add these files and how to push. These are one command only git push like that. Okay. Same thing whenever you want to pull their code into the locally also, we are going to use git pull command, guys. Sending the remote repository changes. Remote side also we can going to be change some changes. Then how we are going to be is git push, git pull and all those things. There is a git working flow is there. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to be discuss about this git working flow. That time I will show you. Then I can add this git clone. Then I can enter into this web and I can create one file. Then inside file, what are the changes will be there? I will tell you. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, up to now you can just remember what is this git push and git pull. Practically also I will show you. Don't worry about that one. Okay, what is this for just before I showed you? Okay, git code. Those the things I already given here. Okay, if you can see same thing like that. See git push origin master. What is the local repository changes? That means local directory or local repository changes. Okay, we are going to be push our code to remote repository. Same thing git pull means we are getting the remote changes into the local repository, guys. Okay, that is called as a git pull. Okay, and mainly it follows two protocols. One is HTTPs, another one is SSH. Where this I have shown you guys in GitHub. Okay, you can see here this code HTTPS and SSH, guys. These two protocols it will be follows. Most of the companies they are going to be use HTTPS, guys. Okay. Okay. And tomorrow we are going to be discuss all these things in practically. Today we already seen this git cloning and git fork. Okay, tomorrow how this local repository. Okay, what is this remote repository also we shown today. But again tomorrow I will show you again, guys, fully. Okay, by using this git working flow because we have a set of rules and regulations will be there. So We want to follow that Git workflow only. Okay. Then tomorrow I will explain this Git working flow, how it will be works. Then after that, how we are going to push the data, and after that, what are the undo changes. After that, we are going to be discuss about these branching strategies also. Okay, guys. Up to now, do you have any doubts? Hello. Hello. Anybody having any doubts, guys?
No, Hari.
No, Hari.
This is a Rama Lenovo.
Yes, Hari.
Yeah. Yes. What about you, Sundar? Hello. Yeah. Are you there?
Yes, yes, Hari.
Yeah. Do you have any doubts up to now?
No, no, Hari.
Okay, I'm going to be log out this one. I already fork one project. Okay, guys. See, in your repository, I already forked this my web. Okay. Tomorrow I will show you for practically how to do it also. Okay, by using the Git working flow. What are the things it will be all? What is Git push, Git don't, Git URL? Okay, Git pull, all the commands we are going to be discussed tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. Do you have any doubts in Linux? Linux is completed, guys. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be in the section. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Hari.
Yeah, thank you all.